Hello everyone. So in today's video I'd like to show you guys the process that I go through to creating an app on the Replit agent. So as you guys can see here, I'm currently working on an online learning platform that I can use to host my online courses. So I'm still in development phase, so if I click the development link here, the dev link. Okay, so just quickly give you an overview. Basically, I'm logged in as a course creator, and I'll have, of course, my dashboard with whatever generic information that I want to have shown here. The courses where I can add a new course, for example, Power BI. In the course, then I can add the module. Okay. And in the module, for example, I add my lessons. Okay. For example, there's an error there. Okay, so I'm still in development phase, right? So I'll have to test each individual feature. So basically, this is the app I'm currently working on. So the process that I go through to creating this app with the help of Replit Agent, basically in the Replit application or the Replit website, I go to the home page, and as soon as we come up to the home page, we have this text box here to enter our prompt. So my prompt that I entered for that application was this simple prompt here: build an online platform that I can use to host my online courses. I should be able to embed YouTube videos. Okay, so this is just a requirement that's specific to my needs. Okay, and as all these AI tools have now the ability to help us to improve our prompt. Okay, so when I click improve prompt, the Replit agent will reformat the prompt in a way that's going to be best interpreted and understood by the agent, so it can better work on our request. Okay, so let's see: an online learning platform designed to host educational courses with embedded YouTube. We've got the core features, of course: create and manage the course content, etc. We've got some visual references inspired by Udemy and Coursera. Okay, then you have the style for the colors, etc. Okay, one other feature we have as well in Replit is the ability to select the platform or the framework that we want the application to be built in, right? So for now, for this app, I just left it as is by default, and it's the Replit agent that will propose. Okay, so basically once that was done, I just clicked on start building, and that's where I'm going to go through the process of testing each of the app. Okay, so Replit agent, once it got my prompt here, it sort of looked at the prompt, approved a plan or set out a plan, which I approved, and then it started to build this app. So the initial version for this app here was built in under like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, so it wasn't long. So once it's built or delivered by the Replit agent, I go through and I test each functionality, right? Say for example the course. Okay, when I come into the courses, I'll just click on the link so we have a better view. So I come in and I test each individual function or each button here. Say for example the course. I should be able to view a course, edit and delete a course, of course. When I come into viewing a course, I should be able to add in the module, edit the module, and or delete the module. Okay, so these features are here which I have to test out, and then, you know, likewise for the lesson as well. Okay, so basically that's what I do. I go through each of the main functionalities here, I test each of them, and if there's an error, okay, for example, if there's an error, I'm going to get the screenshot of the error. Say, let me just show you guys. So if there's an error with one of the functions here, what I'll do is, I think I had an error here earlier. Okay, so what I do, I just get a screenshot of the error. Okay, I come back to the Replit agent and I'll say this error when creating a new lesson. Okay, and then I just paste in the error here, and then the Replit agent will go on and try to identify the cause and sort of fix the error. I see the error you're encountering when trying to create a new lesson. The error message indicates, okay, this typically happens when the server is running HTML instead of JSON, which can cause several issues, etc. So it's going to go through and try to solve the issue. At the same time, it will give us an explanation as well. Okay, so this is the process that I go through. Firstly, I get my prompt improved by the Replit agent, and then it's just going through each of the functionalities here, testing each of the buttons, ensuring that the main functionalities like view, edit, delete works well for each feature. And if it's not working well, that's when I come back to the AI agent and we iterate on this up until the application is completed. Okay, so I hope to complete this app by the end of this week. So when it's done, I'll come back and share with you guys the final application. Okay, so what AI code generating or AI code dev tools are you guys using? You know, comment in the section, comment below, and let's learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.